Good morning mga auntie! Pasensya no wala kami paghilamos but it's already morning and we are already preparing to go in an hour or two or something. Okay? Mahaw namin no? Ayaw pahinambog sa mga pagkauno kailangan kayo. Nawata. So, mao niya among pagkauno. Mao niya ang sobra kagahapon. Dayon. Chorizo.
Okay na yan, bes. Magtuyo din yan.
Hotdog og itlog. Dayon. Mao niya pinaka-special sa mga sudano. Udong pa more. Nya, ay may chicharon pala to. Nya rice dayon nga fried. So kape dayon. Uy, okay na ko. I'm good, I'm good.
Lagay mo siya kasi wala kang face.
Hindi rin upiki din na. So larga. Pamahaw mga auntie. It's time for us to go. Look at that building. We are going to Plaza España, I think it's called, and then Arc de Triomphe. I'm not sure how to say it, but yeah, we are going to visit that two places, and then we will head out because we have to be at the airport at around 11:40 latest. So we will be heading to the airport at 10 or something, and right now it's already 8 past 8, so we have at least 2 hours 20 minutes or something. This trip is different. It's like we eat so much in here, like seriously we didn't save in any way. Like udong is life, you know. L1 so kita ala dayong pa more. Sige lag pa mag Barcelona. Nana namin mga auntie no. So yeah, here I am. Welcome to La España. Wow! Alam na buwang ako, no? Let's look for them. Actually, I know where they are. They're stuck over there. I think the demonstrations is starting very soon. So, I guess we have to go. I could just hear it all the way from there. So, I want to be here in the middle, like this. So, nara mga rallyista ko. Nagsugod na po sila, no? See, ano na siya. Oh, dagan kita o ba pati mga bata na diri. Yes. So we are already heading back to the metro station. Mo na diha man gadula gud silang mga uyab nako tong mga ex nako. Mananami. We go. Karang gitang silutan no. Laag pa mo. Wa mi lang trabaho diri pa nagsige ra dayong ani nga stroller. Da paningot ang giti. Si among gianhian diri no. Kabilat-bilat mi. So dito ta nga side kay para wala siya patay. Maguna na paglakaw no kailangan kay sila picture. So, agoy. Ang san? Ayun siya. Hello mga auntie. We are waiting for the boarding. I think this is going to be the end of this vlog. This is the end of our Barcelona. No, actually no. It's not, because we are going to fly to Milan and then we will just go around there. And that's it. Then fly all the way to Denmark again. And I think we will get to Denmark at 9:30 or something in the evening. So uncle is going to pick me up, I think. So finally, we are catching our next flight to Copenhagen. Hello mga auntie! We just arrived, we just landed. We are back in Copenhagen and dili na mi motrog laag. Haha! Kapoy ka maglaag boy. Joke na bitaw. Mag-London na po mi next time no? Pisni jo kayo ba? Di, na-jod ko mo usab. So, kapoy kay mga auntie, oy, promise jud. May na lang kay lami ang among katapad sa Iloprano no. Ay. Anyway mga auntie, magulat ko kang uncle. Kaya ingon siya sunduan ko niya pero wala ko niya gi-replyan no. Daw asa na to siya dapat gi suksok sa lalang mananap.